Before fixing the error, you have to check the server status from the down detector. So check the server error to fix the error. Code CR901001. So head over to down detector and just see I am showing the screenshot of 18 September 2024. Now after that, give your device a power nap, means shut down your device, close the Dragon Ball Legend and restart. Boost your internet connection. So it's a silly option, but you can try this. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check, restart the router whether it fixed or not. Turn on the VPN, turn off the VPN. Now again update the game. Check on the Play App Store, iOS Store, where you have downloaded, and update it. If not fixed, then clear cache the data for the Android only. For clearing cache, you see the steps below and you can easily clear the cache. Now if clear cache not work, then restart the game. Simply restarting the game from uninstalling it can fix the issue. Now the main thing, the latest announcement of the Dragon's Ball Legend on 28 September 2024 as shown here. Dates and wait for the updates, and after that your issue will be really fixed by the team. If it is not fixed, then keep coming to this video and try comment below, and we will try to fix it, provide a new data to you. If you like the video, then hit subscribe button. Thank you.